I think he likes me.
Likes you, please, Rapunzel? That's demented.
But Mother,
This is why you never should have left. Dear, this whole romance that you've invented just proves you're too naive to be here. Why would he like you? Come on now, really. Look at you! You think that he's impressed? Don't be a dummy. Come with Mummy. Mother... No! No. Oh. I see how it is. Rapunzel knows best. Rapunzel's so mature now. Such a clever grown-up miss. Rapunzel knows best. Fine, if you're so sure now. Go ahead, then give him this!
How did you...
This is why he's here. Don't let him deceive you. Give it to him, watch, you'll see.
I will.
Trust me, my dear. That's how fast he'll leave you. I won't say I told you so. No, Rapunzel knows best. So if he's such a dreamboat, go and put him to the test.
Mother, wait!
If he's lying, don't come crying.